What is Agentic AI? Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, I want to talk about something that's changing the way we think about artificial intelligence, a new phase called Agentic AI. You've probably heard of generative AI, the technology behind chatbots, image generators, and writing assistants. But Agentic AI takes us one step further, from creating things to actually doing things. The evolution of AI. Let's start with a quick timeline. First, we had traditional AI, rule-based systems that followed strict instructions. Then came generative AI, where models like ChatGPT or Midjourney could create text, images, or code on demand. Now, we're entering the age of agentic AI, systems that can set goals, make plans, use tools, and act independently to achieve outcomes. In short, while generative AI reacts, agentic AI acts. So what exactly is agentic AI? Agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence systems designed to autonomously plan, decide, and execute actions toward a specific goal, often with little or no human supervision. These systems don't just wait for prompts, they take initiative. They can reason about what needs to be done, break down large tasks into smaller steps, perform those steps, and learn from the results. Think of it like this. If generative AI is a helpful assistant waiting for instructions, agentic AI is a project manager that understands the objective and figures out how to get there. How it works. Most agentic AI systems follow a basic loop of 4 stages. First, they perceive. They collect data from their environment or from connected systems. Second, they reason. They analyze that information, form a plan, and decide what to do next. Third, they act. They execute tasks, use tools, send messages, or manipulate data. Finally, they learn. They evaluate outcomes and adjust their behavior for next time. It's a feedback loop that allows the system to operate dynamically, not just follow static instructions. Agentic AI versus generative AI. Let's make this distinction crystal clear. Generative AI is reactive. It produces something when you ask for it. Agentic AI is proactive. It identifies goals, decides what needs to be done, and acts. For example, a generative AI might write you a marketing email. An agentic AI would identify your best customer segment, write the email, send it automatically, monitor engagement, and then adjust the message based on performance. That's the difference between content creation and autonomous execution. Use cases. So where do we see agentic AI in action? It's already being explored in many areas. In customer service, where intelligent agents resolve issues and escalate only when necessary. In supply chain management, where agents monitor inventory, predict delays, and reroute shipments. In healthcare, to analyze records, suggest treatment plans, or assist in drug discovery. In software development, to generate code, test it, and deploy automatically. And in marketing, where agents manage campaigns end-to-end, from planning to optimization. Basically, anywhere that requires decision-making, planning, and action, agentic AI can play a role. Benefits. The benefits are significant. Efficiency and automation. These agents handle complex, multi-step processes with little human input. Adaptability. They can respond to changing data and adjust on the fly. Scalability. Multiple agents can collaborate to manage large, dynamic systems. And decision speed. They shorten the time from insight to action. In short, agentic AI has the potential to free humans from repetitive management tasks and allow us to focus on creativity, empathy, and judgment. Challenges and risks. Of course, there are serious challenges too. First, data quality. If the data feeding an agent is wrong, its actions will be wrong too. Second, workflow redesign. Organizations must rethink how humans and agents collaborate. Third, ethics and accountability. If an AI agent acts autonomously, who is responsible for its decisions? Fourth, security and governance. Autonomous systems need guardrails to prevent unintended consequences. And finally, overhype. Not every process should or can be automated. So while agentic AI is promising, it demands careful design, monitoring, and human oversight. How to get started? If your organization wants to experiment with agentic AI, here's a simple roadmap. First, define clear goals. Know what you want the agent to achieve. Second, map your processes. Understand where automation adds real value. Third, ensure data readiness. Clean, structured data is essential. Fourth, build in governance. Define rules, permissions, and human-in-the-loop steps. And five, start small, then scale. Pilot with a focused use case, learn, and expand gradually. This approach helps you capture the benefits while reducing the risks. The future of agentic AI. Looking forward, the field is evolving fast. We're moving toward model-native agents, systems where reasoning, memory, and tool use are built directly into the AI model. We'll also see multi-agent ecosystems, where different agents specialize in different tasks and coordinate together, forming what some call an agentic web. And as this technology matures, there will be growing emphasis on transparency, trust, and human-AI collaboration. Agentic AI isn't about replacing people. It's about extending our capabilities, letting machines handle the routine and mechanical, while humans focus on creativity, empathy, and judgment. So, to wrap up, agentic AI represents a major shift from AI that simply responds to AI that acts with purpose. It's an exciting, powerful step forward, but also one that requires thoughtful governance and responsible innovation. If we get it right, agentic AI won't just change how technology works, it'll change how we work. Thank you, and like or subscribe for content like this one.